I love you for it. How are you guys? A little crappy, I get it. Nice. I'm feeling ya. Oh my God, I can't even believe I'm doing this right now. I haven't slept in like 3 days, you guys. I've slept, honestly, about 4 hours in the last 3 days. My dog will not stop eating herself. No, laugh. It's absolutely the most disgusting, impossible thing to endure in the middle of the night. It's... What is going on down there? And why is it delicious? Why? Stupid dog. I always make sure my husband's watching. I do. I'm like, you see, you can learn a lot from that dog, dude. Pay attention. For real. Not that I need to sleep, because when I sleep, I'm the ugliest sleeper, you guys. It's like, I look just like Terry Schiavo. It's the worst. It's okay to laugh, she's dead. It's fine. So I'm Puerto Rican, born and raised, and no one ever believes me like you. I see it. You don't look Puerto Rican. No one ever believes me, man. Why? Because I'm not out stealing your crap? Why? Why? So ridiculous, dude. I don't care, man. Everyone's like, oh, you don't look Puerto Rican because you're so pale. That's why you're so pale. I'm like, well, I was born brown, but my mom beat it out of me. She's like, listen, mija, this is gonna hurt you now, but you'll thank me later. She was right. There's no brown people here. You can laugh. I guarantee you I'm the only one. It's Kirkland. Come on.